So last week, someone asked us if our gloves work at minus 30 degrees. And to be honest, we never tested it. So today we have some dry ice and we are gonna check it out. So guys, we've just cut out the big heater into fingers, and you can see this is the graphene lining, which retains the heat and it redirects heat actually. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick this on my fingers so that then when I do this, we want to see if the heater still work or not. But we damaged one of them. What happens is it becomes quite sticky. Once we put dry ice, this thing becomes very sticky. So we are gonna stick this and put some scotch tape here as well, so that it doesn't stick to itself. That's the only thing. And then we are going to see how it works. So first I'll just show you the the thermal camera. And it's getting warm, as you can see. And now we are going to stick it to my hand, and then I'm going to do this to see if it cracks when it's cold. So guys, now we've connected everything. As you can see, we've put some tape and put the wires, and it's connected to the power, like the power source. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep doing this, and you can now put the thermal camera. We'll just adjust it. Just give us a second. Is it? I think it's okay now. Is it? Yeah. Now I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna put some tape. Like I'm gonna keep doing this. So we want to see if it cracks when it's cold or not, right? So I'm gonna put some dry ice. One, two. Wait. Thank you. So now I'll keep on doing this, and let's see what happens. So what we've noticed, one thing is that the TPU, like the base layer, that gets sticky, like once we make it cold, that gets very, very sticky. And what happens is then when I do it like this, the TPU will stick. So the ink doesn't crack. And mind you, this is minus 78 degrees. And I mean, the only effect we see is that it tries to stick. So 2 layers of the circuit will try to stick. But that problem won't come in real life, because there'll be another layer of fabric on this, right? This won't be exposed. So there will be no problem for sticking for sure. But for completeness, we'll still try to do this again and again. So, yes, like this. And if you see, this dry ice is minus 20, as I said before. Like the lowest our camera can measure is minus 20. But it's dry ice, dry carbon dioxide, so it's much colder. So you see, it sticks. That's the only problem. But this problem won't be in real life, because there'll be another fabric layer. And you see, it's still working. I can still feel the warmth, and didn't crack yet, even at the dry ice temperature. But what we can, so the only thing we need to take care of is, if you want to wear it at very low temperatures, which we already do, we just add another fabric layer. So like this circuit layer won't stick to itself. That's the only problem we face. The circuit by itself is still okay at minus whatever temperature this dry ice is. So of course, this test isn't super ideal. We need to do it over a long period of time to see the actual effect of minus 30 degrees on a glove. But currently we don't have any other choice. But there's something new coming up where we'll have real life experience of testing and using our products in the cold weather. Stay tuned, and maybe you can come and visit us there.